Bubble tea pearl maker. Let's talk about one of the sweetest business opportunities out there. Bubble tea isn't just some social media fad anymore. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry that keeps growing every single year, especially among Gen Z and millennials. What started as an exotic Taiwanese drink has turned into a global obsession. And with a bubble tea pearl-making machine, you can step right into that booming market. Those chewy little spheres, known as boba pearls, are the stars of the show. Bite into one and boom! A burst of flavor turns an ordinary drink into a whole experience. The machine does all the heavy lifting. You mix fruit syrups, natural juices, or tea concentrate with sodium alginate. Pour it in and it automatically produces hundreds of perfectly round pearls every minute. An investment of around $800 to $1,200 could open the door to a fun, colorful, and seriously profitable business. Sell to cafes, food trucks, or local events, or just launch your own delivery brand. With each cup selling at $3 to $4, profit margins can hit over 200%. Meaning what? You could make back your investment in just a few weeks. Add creative flavors, an eye-catching aesthetic, and solid social media branding, and this sweet business could turn your income into a treat.
Automatic nail art printing machine. The beauty business, it never goes out of style. But technology, that's what sets you apart. The automatic nail art printer is a perfect mix of beauty and innovation, turning creativity into quick cash. Here's how it works. Your client places a finger in the machine, picks a design from thousands of built-in options, from minimal patterns to hyper-realistic portraits, and boom, in seconds, the design is printed directly on the nail with surgical precision. It looks like a high-end salon job, but without the hours of manual painting. For $900 to $1,500, you can set up a mobile beauty station right at home. Charge $5 per design, see just 10 clients a day, and your investment's paid off in under a month. Whew, not bad, right? And because it's portable, you can take your business anywhere. Home visits, events, co-working spaces, you name it. This is how creativity meets profitability, all in one stylish machine.
Artisanal chocolate tempering machine. Let's be honest, few businesses are as emotionally irresistible as chocolate. With an artisanal chocolate tempering machine, you can turn that sweet craving into a serious income stream. The machine handles temperature, texture, and shine with precision, giving you that glossy, professional finish that screams gourmet quality. The process is almost therapeutic. Melt, temper, pour, decorate, maybe add nuts, caramel, or even a little liquor. Before you know it, you've got handmade bars, truffles, and chocolate gifts ready to sell at events, stores, or online. The initial investment? Around $1,000 to $2,000, but the returns? Deliciously high. A single handcrafted truffle can sell for $2 or more, while making a dozen might cost you under $3. And since chocolate sells all year, especially during the holidays, this business offers a steady flow of demand and mouth-watering profit margins. Basically, a business so sweet, it melts any doubt. Custom photo embroidery machine. Now this one's for the creative souls, a machine that literally stitches memories into art. The custom photo embroidery machine transforms digital images into thread-based masterpieces that look like hand-painted portraits. It's simple. Upload a photo, choose thread types and texture, and the machine automatically recreates the image with thousands of micro stitches. The result? A personalized, emotional, and visually stunning product, perfect for gifts, decor, or memorial art. Yes, the price tag is higher, around $1,500 to $2,500, but each embroidered portrait can sell for $50 to $150. That's serious value for something you can make from home, take online orders for, and ship worldwide. This is art, technology, and emotion, all woven together. A business that's as touching as it is profitable. Mini Cheesecake Jar Maker. All right, dessert lovers, this one's for you. Because if there's one thing people never stop craving, it's dessert. And if it looks good on Instagram, even better. With a specialized mini cheesecake jar maker, you can bake, seal, and package individual cheesecakes that look luxurious and travel perfectly. Each jar is a reusable little glass container filled with layered goodness, perfect for online sales, coffee shops, or local food fairs. The equipment costs between $600 and $1,000, depending on size. Each jar sells for $4 to $5, with production costs around $1. That's roughly $300 profit per 100 jars. Not bad for something that tastes amazing and markets itself. Combine smart packaging, mouth-watering photos, and a catchy brand name, and you've got yourself a dessert empire in a jar.
Nut butter maker machine. The health trend isn't going anywhere, and nut butter? Oh, it's the king of the natural food movement. What used to be a luxury item in fancy stores is now a pantry essential in thousands of homes. And with a nut butter maker machine, you can turn that clean eating craze into a smooth, profitable business. And yes, it smells amazing. These machines grind and emulsify almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, walnuts, or pistachios into a creamy, silky texture. No preservatives, no added oils, just pure flavor. The process? So simple it almost feels unfair. Add roasted nuts, hit the switch, and in minutes, you've got natural nut butter ready to jar and sell. Machines range from $600 to $1,200, depending on power and capacity. But here's the kicker. They can produce several kilos per hour, meaning lower unit costs and higher profit margins. Let's talk numbers. 1 kilo of peanuts costs about $3. And once turned into natural peanut butter, it sells for $10 or more. Add a gourmet twist like honey, cocoa, cinnamon, or plant protein, and that value easily doubles. The best part? Long shelf life, steady demand, and super low production costs. You can sell your product under your own brand at local markets, health food stores, or online. This is more than a business. It's a mission. Real food, no chemicals, 100% homemade. In short, a delicious and financially creamy opportunity. Glass bottle recycling tools. What if I told you that you could turn trash into art and get paid for it? With a glass bottle recycling kit, that's exactly what happens. These sets include cutters, sanders, polishers, and accessories that help you transform old bottles into new products. Glasses, lamps, vases, candle holders, and decorative art pieces. The investment is small, around $200 to $400, but the creative and eco-friendly potential is huge. And guess what? The raw material is free. Just ask your local bars or neighbors to save their empty bottles, and boom, you've got your inventory. The process is satisfying. Cut the bottle, smooth the edges with heat or sandpaper, and then get creative. Engravings, paint, custom labels, maybe even LED lighting. The results? Functional art that sells great at craft fairs, design shops, or online platforms like Etsy and eBay. A recycled glass set can sell for $15 to $25, and personalized versions go even higher. This business reduces waste, promotes sustainability, and fits perfectly into the eco-design trend. Creativity, low cost, and a green mission, all bottled up in one solid opportunity.
The plastic shredder. Imagine this for a second. The huge business potential hiding in something as simple as a plastic shredder, right in your own home. Maybe you hadn't thought about it. But with this machine, you could be earning anywhere from $150 to $300 per day just by shredding PET bottles. Yeah! And here's the kicker. It's an affordable, low-cost machine that not only promotes recycling, but also opens the door to sustainable entrepreneurship, all from the comfort of your house. With an initial investment ranging between $500 and $2,000, this machine transforms bottles and containers into small flakes, ready to sell. And here's where it gets interesting. Those plastic flakes fetch 30 to 50 cents per kilo, and even a basic machine can process up to 100 kilos per hour. Let's do the math together. Just 4 hours a day, and you could shred around 400 kilos of plastic. That translates into a daily profit of $120 to $200. This isn't just a great option for anyone looking for a profitable, fast return business. It's also a way to make a real impact. You reduce waste while meeting the growing demand for recycled materials in the manufacturing industry. One machine, one investment.
The plastic compactor. All right, so you've taken the first step in home recycling. Now it's time to level up. The plastic compactor is the tool your workshop can't do without. Why? Because it's not just about recycling, it's about doing it efficiently. This affordable, practical equipment significantly reduces the volume of plastics, PET, containers, and similar materials. Here's the magic. By compressing waste into compact bales, you optimize storage and boost resale value. Buyers love ready-to-process materials because it saves them time and effort. And guess what? That means more money in your pocket. The best part? Compacting doesn't compromise the quality of the plastic, keeping it highly desirable for recycling companies. A simple compactor can be purchased for $1,500 to $5,000 depending on capacity. With a steady flow of material, you could make $40 to $100 daily. Bottom line, it's an intelligent investment, eco-friendly, cost-effective, and with stable income potential. The recycled plastic extruder. Now, if your goal isn't just recycling, but adding serious value, the recycled plastic extruder is your next level machine. Think of it as the upgrade in this business journey. It doesn't just shred or compact, it transforms plastic into entirely new products. This machine melts shredded plastic and turns it into tubes, profiles, pellets, or filaments. These products can be sold directly or used as raw materials to create even higher value items. And here's the exciting part. Entering this production level puts you in a market with constant, growing demand. Yes, the initial investment is higher. A basic extruder costs between $3,000 and $10,000 depending on the model and capacity. But the profits skyrocket accordingly. Many entrepreneurs report earning $80 to $220 daily, depending on the material and product type. Plus, this machine allows you to diversify revenue streams and build a stable
tire shredder. So what if you want to go beyond conventional materials? Here comes a machine that few consider at first, but it has huge potential. The tire shredder. This machine processes used tires into rubber granules or shredded material, and the opportunities are endless. Construction, landscaping, paving, and even sports surfaces. Tires can be transformed into rubber flooring, industrial mats, or athletic tracks. If you have access to used tires from repair shops or scrapyards, your profits increase significantly. Depending on size and capacity, these machines cost between $3,000 and $8,000, and the return is very appealing. Processing tires can generate $70 to $150 per day, selling recycled rubber by the kilo to various companies. But the best part? You're tackling a serious environmental problem, reducing the piles of discarded tires that pollute soil, rivers, and landfills. In short, this isn't just business. It's a gateway to generate income, grow your home-based enterprise, and tap into a booming market that's hungry for sustainable solutions. So, the eco-friendly brick machine. Imagine a brick that isn't just strong and durable, but also lightweight, cost-effective, and, most importantly, eco-friendly. That's exactly what an eco-brick machine offers. It transforms recycled materials such as plastics, ash, or even organic waste into building blocks ready for construction. If you're aiming for a home-based business with a product in high demand, especially in the booming sustainable construction sector, this machine is a game changer. It turns waste into bricks suitable for walls, floors, and other structures, combining environmental responsibility with strength and quality. Here's the exciting part. These green blocks are not only cheaper than conventional bricks, but also weather-resistant and easier to handle. Depending on the model and production capacity, these machines cost between $3,000 and $7,000. And the best part? With consistent operation, you could generate $80 to $160 daily, turning what would be trash into a profitable product. A smart, eco-friendly investment with massive potential. The recycled plastic injection molding machine. When it comes to speed, precision, and versatility in recycling, nothing beats an injection molding machine. This equipment transforms recycled plastics into high-quality products, enabling small-scale or even semi-industrial production right from your home or workshop. The possibilities are endless. Containers, caps, kitchen utensils, toys, and even industrial components. Thanks to custom molds, every product can have a professional finish, ready to sell directly or through wholesale distributors. Injection molding is considered one of the most efficient ways to start a recycled plastics business. Why? It combines speed with precision, reduces raw material costs, and supports sustainable practices. Yeah. Sure, the upfront investment can seem high, ranging from $4,000 to $10,000 depending on size and capacity, but the payback is impressive. Entrepreneurs often report $100 to $250 daily depending on product type and demand. This machine is your gateway to scaling a recycling business and producing high-value, customized items.
The hydraulic metal press. If you already work with metals as part of your recycling venture, you know that volume and handling can become a real challenge. Enter the hydraulic press, a must-have machine for optimizing storage, transport, and profitability. Its operation is as powerful as it is practical. The press compresses metals such as steel, copper, and aluminum into compact bales. Not only does this save space, but it also increases market value, as buyers prefer metals ready for smelting or reprocessing. The cost of a hydraulic press varies depending on strength and capacity, typically ranging from $4,000 to $12,000. While it's a significant investment, the return is solid. Efficiency improves, processing speed increases, and the volume of material handled grows. In short, this machine doesn't just simplify your operation, it strengthens your business, boosts profitability, and positions you for growth